Hey our friends, today we're going to draw an Easter cat.
We're so excited that you're going to draw with us, and we hope you have your art supplies ready. We're using our markers and our crayons to color with.
But you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, and also don't worry about making your drawings look exactly like ours. See how our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
To have fun and practice.
yes. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah!
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw our little cat's nose in the middle of our paper, and we can draw a small letter V. And then we're going to draw the top of the nose curving over. We can draw the mouth, a letter U, and another letter U. It actually looks like a W. Yours is super small. I like it. Mine's massive. I wish I did mine as small as yours. Okay. Mine's a cat. Yours is a kitten. Then we're going to draw eyes. I'm going to draw, I'm kind of drawing them big too. Oh, yes. It's a super kitten.
It's super cute.
Yeah, big eyes. And then we can draw the small circle inside that we like to add to make the eyes shiny and friendly. We're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, next let's add a cute little bow around our kitten or cat's neck. We're going to draw a circle right below the mouth. Then we can draw two diagonal lines, one going up to the left and up to the right. Then we can draw two more diagonal lines going down to the left and down to the right. Then let's curve around and we'll connect the bottom up to the top. And we can also add a little wrinkle, just like you're doing inside. Okay, now let's draw our cat's head. We're gonna draw a cheek coming out from the bow. We're gonna draw curving up, and then we can stop right next to the eye. And we can do the same to match on this side. My cat's head is huge. It's gonna fill the whole paper. Then we're gonna draw the top of our cat's head going over and connecting to the other side. Okay, let's give our cat a little headband that the bunny ears are going to be on. And because the top of my head is so big, I want more room for the ears. So I'm going to draw the headband actually inside of the head that I already drew, the line that I already drew, instead of drawing it on top.
Looks like it's wearing one of those swimming caps.
Oh yeah, it's going to go swimming.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the bunny ears. We're going to draw a big upside down letter U. So we're going to come up, around, and back in. And then same thing, up. Oh man, I'm almost going off my paper. Well, it just looks like a bunny. We got to turn it into a cat.
Yeah.
Let's draw cat ears. We'll draw an upside down letter V for one ear and a matching ear on this side. It has 4 ears.
Yeah.
Then we can draw the inside of our cat's ears. We'll draw the same upside down letter V for the inside. Looks like an alien. And then we're going to draw the inside of the bunny ears too. Small upside down letter U's.
Very long.
Okay, to make it look more like a cat, what are we missing on the cheek?
Whiskers.
Whiskers. Let's draw 1, 2, and I'm going to add another one. 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Yes, now it looks like a cat. Okay, now let's draw the paws and the front feet. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down from right below the knot on the bow. Then we're going to come out further and we're going to draw a curve. See how I'm getting close down here? So we're starting out past the bow and then coming in close to the ankle down here. So, I like that yours is over to the side. Oh, you could also just draw 2 more on this side and it will kind of get it closer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so this is one leg and then another leg. That works too. Then we're going to draw the little paw coming around and connecting to the inside. Curving around and connecting. Oh, you're drawing another one.
No.
I like that. That's okay. I'll show you what we can do with that one. Yes. Okay, and then the little toe lines. Okay, now this line right here, you could connect it into the cheek. Yes, and then we're going to draw another one that matches on this side. I'm going to do the same thing, but a little different. Okay, watch this. We're going to draw the little foot, the back foot right here. I'm going to draw right next to the front foot. And the same over here. A little sideways letter U or the letter C and a backward C. Then we can draw two more toe lines on those back feet. And then right here, so I'm going to draw this line. So you already drew that part. And then we're going to connect it into the foot. So I'm going to start way up here and I'm going to draw it curving down and into the bottom or into the foot. Yes. Okay, now let's draw the belly in between the two front paws. And let's finish the collar that connects to the bow. Extra line on each side. Okay, what are we missing?
Tail.
Yeah, a tail. We're going to draw an S curve. Go out and curve the other way. So curve one way and then back the other way.
A worm.
Yeah, worm line. And then we can draw another worm line right next to it.
A bigger worm.
A bigger worm. And we're going to draw a big curve that connects to the other side. And we did it. There's our little kitten, our Easter kitten. Except we still need to
Color.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. But what can our friends do?
Color any way you want.
Yes, and you could also add a background. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our cute little Easter kittens and they turned out awesome. What kind of cat did you call this?
Calico cat.
A calico cat is orange and kind of a black-brown color.
Yeah.
But you guys could color your drawings differently. You could change what type of cat it is.
And even add a background.
Yeah, we added a flower and some grass, but you could add more cats or...
Easter eggs.
Yeah,
We have had a lot of fun drawing an Easter cat with us.
we do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.